Hi, this is Janet, and today I want to walk you through a collaborative post between Rinea Foil and Poppystamps. So what I'm using today are some pieces from a package of Misfits, which is a great way to get a variety of different colors. And then I am using this die cut. It's called Simple Sheep, and I am using it to cut out my Rinea foil. So I have most of it done, but just to show you here, I'm going to run it through my Sizzix Sidekick here. It's just super quick and easy to do. Let me attach this to the tabletop. And so here I have some black Starstruck foil, putting my die in place. And I'm going to run it through. Yeah, if I can get it to grab correctly. Here we go. Okay, there we go. All right, now just move that out of the way. Show you how quick and easy that was, and all the pieces are cut. And then just to remove them, I'm just going to use little holes in the back to poke through. And there are my pieces. And I have cut all of these pieces already, and I'm going to place them down on a card. And so what I have here is some white cardstock already folded, another piece of Rinea foil in black, and I'm going to stick that to the card like so, and then I'm putting another piece of white cardstock on top. So let's just make that happen first, and then we will place all the little die cut pieces. The thing I haven't decided on yet is, do I want 3 or 4 sheep? And so that is something I'm going to have to decide as I work, as well as which direction I want the card. Do I want it a horizontal or a vertical card? So I'm just trying to line up things here before I stick them down permanently. Okay, here we go. All right, so now to decide how I want the pieces on here. And I know I want one black sheep, so let's decide how we want to arrange these guys. Do I want 3? And then of course I have a stamp that I'm going to stamp on there as well. Well, they're a little tight this way, but I think I'm going to go with the more traditional way. So I will be sticking these guys down.